How to cancel a money transfer on Paytm. First, I want to clarify that you can't cancel a transfer on Paytm, but you can delete your transaction history. First, open the Paytm app. Once opened, go to the statement section, where you'll find all your previous transactions. Any transactions made through Paytm will be displayed here. After opening your transaction history, go back and click on your profile. Next, select the Help and Support option. This will open a new interface. Scroll up and click the See More option. Then, go to Profile Settings and tap the Chat option. Here, you'll find several options, including Delete My Account. If you delete your Paytm account, your entire transaction history will also be deleted. Afterward, you can create a new Paytm account if needed. Paytm doesn't offer a direct option to delete your transaction history. The only way to delete it is to delete your account. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.